Hi everyone, my name is Candace Oubre, and I manage collections for the National Museum of African American History and Culture. Part of my job is to organize, inventory, and rehouse or put your collection in something more suitable for storage. I'm delighted to have this great opportunity to pass along a few quick tips that I use at work so you can preserve your family treasures. These tips are loose guidelines you can follow to start your preservation journey. Remember, this is your project, so feel free to make it a family affair, keeping proper safety practices in mind, of course. I thought it might be helpful to show you a few of my personal treasures and how I would rehouse them. Let's get started. First, I will share 4 logistical tips for keeping your collection organized and accessible. Then I will demonstrate how you can rehouse or put your collection in something more suitable for long-term storage. So let's take a look at my logistical tips. 1. Make your collection easily accessible. For example, keeping heavy items closer to the floor. Keep your items away from sunlight and keep your items in a dry, cool environment if possible. Number 2, label dates with proper subjects' names, not just mom or dad. This is especially helpful for memoirs or photographs. Number 3, document stories for significance relating to your family treasures, keeping in mind that media forms change over time. Number 4, make it fun. You may want to pass down a new tradition. Here's an example of a record sleeve stored too long in cardboard. You can see the acid from the cardboard that has migrated to the sleeve. Before we go, I just want to leave you with a few takeaway do's and don'ts from today. Don't store your treasures in cardboard if possible, and do keep your family treasures away from direct sunlight and damp environments. Most importantly, use this time to connect with your family and have fun. My first object is a paper document. This could be a birth certificate or a letter. You want to house these types of treasures in a polyethylene sleeve, so you want to stay away from plastic because plastic could damage your paper or photo treasures over time. And this is just in an archival folder. My second object is a concert light stick, and we can store that in an archival box. My third object is a bowl, stored in an archival box with polyethylene foam for padding. My fourth object is ephemera. This could be a concert ticket, a movie ticket, or a playbill. And it's stored in an archival folder with a ticket and a polyethylene sleeve. My fifth object is a family recording, and I'm using the external hard drive to demonstrate a form of media that it can be saved on. Before I wrap things up, here are a few tips to help you prepare for your Virtual Treasures Reviewer meeting. You must use a camera-enabled device. You must be in a well-lit room so our reviewers can see your treasure. They won't be able to review and provide information on your treasure without proper lighting. Speak in a loud, clear voice so your reviewer can hear everything you're saying clearly. Finally, make sure there's no other background noise playing. Turn off any televisions or radios that are nearby. Close any windows. Thank you, as always, for your continued support of Namak's Hometown Treasures Initiative. And stay tuned for more important Dafuski Island treasures and stories. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other.